What you watching, David? David, what are you watching? Huh?
Daddy, want a cracker?
David, want a cracker?
I'm playing with it. I'm playing with you. He doesn't want to play with you.
David, want a cracker?
He doesn't want to play with you.
Okay.
Daddy. He only wants to play with me.
With you? Okay.
Daddy, want a cracker? Shoot. You're so like a chicken. There's a red bird. Oh, this is bad.
Where does he get all that anger? Notice down. Loser, you worthless. You've been nothing but a disappointment from the beginning. Swallow this one down.
You just got to be a boring guy. Daddy, want a cracker?
I said I was sorry.
Thanks for the picture.
Yeah?
Hey, Mr. Tanner.
Daddy, want a cracker?
Hey, Mr. Wayne.
Look at Nemo.
Where?
Right here, swimming. There's Nemo right there.
I think he's looking for his mom. Looking for the big one.
Oh.
My one cracker. Daddy.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, please.
It's okay. David, want a cracker?
David, want a cracker? David, want a
He
cracker?
doesn't want to play with you.
He does.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't want to play with you. He doesn't want to play with you, Daddy.
Okay.
Get away, shoot. Shoot away. Carter, you're so pretty. Carter.
Huh?
Carter.
Okay.
Get away from me, shoot.
What is the parrot saying?
What do you say? You say chicken?
I love...
Get away, shoot.
I love you.
Shoot away.
He said I love you.
Get away.
He said I love you.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't love you.
What do you say? What do you say then?
I love you. I will show you my tricks. Help for me, Daddy.
What?
Help, I'm stuck.
What are you watching?
I'm stuck. Save me.
What are you watching?
Save me.
Kung Fu Panda?
Yes, I need help. Please.
What's that? Kung Fu Panda?
Please.
Come in. Let's go find Nemo.
What? Nemo's not underwater.
Yeah, he is. But he's right there.
No. He has lost his white thing with the orange stripe.
Okay.
Okay, former bandits, we are going to prove that you can do honest work.